Hello students, welcome to the Gen classes. Today we will learn about the creator registration form, and the second one is the create a web page which divides the browser window into the two horizontal frame. We want in this tutorial, this is my second lecture on the 12th class for the IT students. In this tutorial I have created the two web pages. The first one is the registration form and the second one is the 12th exam 2020. In the first web page I have created the registration form, and the second page I simply the changed it body color as the blue and write the 12th exam 2020. Okay, both web pages are created separately and I have include both pages in the one page. Okay, to do to create this kind of output, I want to create the one program in the notepad plus plus. In the notepad plus plus in the notepad plus plus firstly take the new file, and to do any programming we just have to imagine the output. That's why firstly we will imagine the output. For that I have already ready the paper, means I wanted this kind of output. Okay, so for that just write HTML file open, HTML file close, HTML file open, HTML file close. In the HTML file I want the background as a pink. That's why in the body section bg color equals to pink, because I want the body color as a pink. That's why I will write the bg color double quote pink. Double quote complete. Body tag is open here, so I will close the body tag. Just save this program. In our previous video, in our G drive 12th lecture on YouTube, this one is the second lecture. That's why I will write the second, means lecture 2.html. Lecture 2.html. Just save this program. Now I want a one form. That's why I will write the form tag open, form tag close, form tag open, form tag close. In the form tag I will write the registration form in the uppermost part. That's why I will write the registration form, but I want the font size as much as bigger. That's why I will write the h1 tag is open, so h1 tag close, h1 tag open, h1 tag close. I want this registration form in the center. That's why I will apply the center tag open and center tag close, Just save this file and now run it. Go to the G drive, on the YouTube, lecture 2, just run it. Registration form. Now I want the username, gender, password and the interest. That's why username, gender, password and the interest. That's why I will write the username in the username input type equals to, I want a text box. That's why I will write the text. The double quote is not necessary. That's why I will write the text. Size should be 14. just close this. Now I will write the BR tag, apply the BR tag. Okay, now in the next line I want the gender. In the gender I want the radio button, that's why I will write the input type. In the previous video I have described very much easier way to how to take the different types of text boxes, radio button, check boxes and so on. That's why I will simply write the input type equals to I want the radio button, that's why I will write the radio. In front of radio I want the male. Okay, and again I want the input type. Again I want the input type equals to again radio, and in front of that I want the female. Just save this and now run it. Just refresh it by pressing F5. You can see the gender male and female. Radio button is created here. Now I want the password box, that's why I will write the BR tag is here. BR tag is here. Now I want the password box, that's why password colon input type equals to in double quote is not necessary, that's why I will write the password. Just save this BR tag, just save this and now run it. Password box, you can see the password is in the password format and the text box is in the text format. Now I want the check boxes, different types of check boxes, that's why I will write the interest colon input type equals to checkbox. Input type equals to checkbox and singing. Now I will copy this line, paste, again paste, again paste and again paste. In the first line I have write the checkbox swimming, then dancing, then reading, then swimming and then clicking. Just save this and now run it. Okay, singing, dancing, you can see checkboxes. In the checkboxes we can select the multiple choices, but in the radio button we can select only one of them. Okay, now the interest is here. Now I want the two buttons. The first one is the submit button and the second one is the clear button. That's why I will write input type equals to button, input type equals to button and value equals to submit, Okay, just save this and now run it. Just refresh. Submit button is here, but I want it in the next line, that's why I will write apply the BR tag. Okay, now I want the input type is done. Again I want the clear button, that's why input type equals to in double quote I want the button, that's why I will write the button, double quote complete, and the value equals to value equals to clear, value equals to clear. Just refresh it, just save this and again refresh this, submit and the clear. Now I want the two images, that's why I will write in the form tag, then I will write the image src img src equals to, I want the two images, the first one is the Sai Baba and the second one is the Mahavirji. That's why just I will just copy the two images which is present here. The first one is the Mahavirji, second one is the Sai Baba. Just copy this and put it in the old folder. In own folder means in this. Okay, both are the JPG files. Just paste it. Okay, Mahavirji and the Sai Baba are the JPG images which are present in our own folder. That's why now import this. Image src equals to, in double quote, Sai Baba dot jpg double quote complete, width equals to 200 double quote and height equals to double quote 200 double quote. Again images src, because I want the two images, that's why I will write the image src equals to double quote Mahavirji dot jpg double quote complete, width equals to double quote 200 double quote, height equals to double quote 200 double quote complete. Just save this file. Now run it, just refresh it. You can see the two images is here. Okay, first registration form is created here. Now we want to create the another form. Okay, another web page. That's why we will close this. Now take the another file, just save this whole form. Now take the another new file. Now I want the, in the second web page, I want the blue background. That's why HTML tag open, HTML tag close. In the HTML tag I want the body as the blue. That's why in the body tag bg color equals to blue double quote complete, body tag open, so body tag will be closed, body tag will be closed. Just save this file in our own folder, that means in the G drive. This one is the lecture 2 in the parenthesis, sorry, the name should be the easiest one, that's why I will write bottom dot html, just save this file and in the body tag I will write the 12th 2020 12th exam 2020, 12th exam 2020. Just save this. Now run this bottom.html. Okay, now I want the 12th exam 2020 in the center and in the bold form. That's why I will write the bold, then center, and after that bold tag will be closed, and after that center tag will be closed. Just save these and now refresh it. Okay, you can see. Now we have created the two web pages. Now both web pages we have to include in one web page. Okay, for that just close these. For that take the new file and in the new file HTML tag open, HTML tag close. In the HTML tag, I have to set the different types of number of web pages in the more than one web page in the or two or more web pages we have to include on the one same web page. That's why I will set the frame set and the frame set tag is open. That's why frame set tag will be closed, and in the frame set just save this file in the again in the same folder. This one is the frame dot html. Just save this. Now in the frame set I have to divide one web page in the number of rows. That's why I will write the rows equals to in double quote 400 comma asterisk double quote complete, and in that I have to set the two frames. That's why frame src equals to in double quote the first web page will be the lecture 2 dot html double quote complete, and name equals to f1, and the second web page frame the name should be different. Frame src equals to in double quote bottom dot html, and the name property should be different for the two frames. That's why I will write the f2 double quote complete. Just save these and now run it. For that, to run this program frame I want run it on the Google Chrome. That's why I will open the Google Chrome. It will take the 2 minutes. You can see the two web pages are included in the one web page. This is all about the how to divide the one web page in the two different parts. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.